So we've all been there. We have a really tight, confined space that we need to drill either a screw into or a hole through, and our impact driver and drill, they just don't work. They're too big and too bulky to fit into the space. Luckily, Milescraft has come up with a fantastic product called the Drive 90 Plus. The Drive 90 Plus is a right angle drill attachment constructed of steel and plastic with a nice molded grip. It's 1.5 inches wide and weighs only ½ a pound, which means it's easy to maneuver, really lightweight, and can fit into any space. It features a 1/4 inch hex shaft, which means it can fit any impact driver and drill, and it has a 1/4 inch magnetic hex socket so you won't go losing your bits. The Drive 90 Plus makes drilling into tight confined spaces super simple and easy. For more information on the Drive 90 or any of their other products, check out milescraft.com.
Introducing the Milescraft Hook Driver. Installing hooks has never been so easy. This 2-in-1 tool provides a comfortable T-handle grip that accepts 1/4 inch hex bits. This can be used to tighten various types of fasteners. It offers a uniquely profiled bit that can be used with any drill or 1/4 inch impact and accepts a variety of hooks and rings up to 1/4 inch in size. No more sore fingers and hands or twisting screwdrivers to install your hooks. Simply pre-drill the pilot hole for your hook and start the threads by hand. Use a drill, 1/4 inch impact, or the Milescraft grip handle along with the hook driver bit to complete the installation to your required depth. If you are looking to build that backyard swing or make a plant hanger for your front porch, be sure to check out the Milescraft Hook Driver. It's the perfect tool for any homeowner or craftsman. No more guessing if your drill is at a true 90-degree angle to your work surface. This handy guide system allows you to drill a straight hole every time. The drill block has an ergonomic design that is comfortable in any application. The unit also features non-slip TPE pads on both sides to prevent slipping and marring on the work surface. There are center lines on all 4 sides of the drill block that are lined up with each hole location to help you make sure you are positioned exactly centered on your mark. Using these as a guide, you will drill a perfect hole every time. The base of the drill block is made of a reinforced nylon and will not heat up in your hand while drilling through metal. The drill block has a solid base that allows it to be clamped for stability. The V-block channel on the underside provides versatility on many different drilling surfaces, from round to corner profiles. On the top of the bushing block, there are 6 holes for common drill bit sizes: 1/8, 3/16, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. Each bushing is held to a tight tolerance and allows you to drill at a 90-degree angle to any surface. Introducing the Milescraft Drill 90 Plus. This right angle drill attachment is perfect for drilling into those hard to reach wall studs, floor and ceiling joists, or a host of other applications. Made of reinforced ABS, the unit offers a 4¼ inch dual position handle for optimal comfort and support, as well as a 3/8 keyless chuck that is compatible with most drilling accessories. The Drill 90 Plus is driven by a 3/8 hex shaft and not recommended for impact drivers. When you find the need to drill in a tight or hard to reach area, the Drill 90 Plus has a minimum reach of only 4 inches. When used in conjunction with the Milescraft stubby bits, the unit can fit almost anywhere. Ideal for plumbers, electricians, HVAC installers, and homeowners needing to navigate tight spaces, the Drill 90 Plus will meet your drilling needs.
Installing trim around windows and doors is as easy as measure, mark, and install with the Milescraft Trim 45. To use the Trim 45, start by holding the button upwards to adjust the reveal gauge to your desired reveal around the door or window. The reveal gauge has a maximum reveal of 1/2 inch and can be adjusted for a shallow reveal in 1/8 inch increments. Once you've determined your reveal, push the button back down to lock in the desired setting. To install the trim for your project, start by aligning the reveal gauge to the jamb corner and make your horizontal and vertical marks using the edges of the reveal gauge scale. The front and back of the Trim 45 are used to make all marks or measurements for your jambs and trim casings. Then repeat this for all 4 corners. Then to measure for your project's trim, nail the Trim 45 in place using the 2 small holes just above the reveal gauge to insert nails. Then using the tape measure slots on the body of the trim 45, measure the distance between your marks to determine the finished trim length. To help hold the tape measure in place, there's 2 magnets next to each of the tape measure slots. After you've measured the lengths of your trim pieces, set your miter saw for a 45-degree cut and cut one end of the trim casing. Then using that 45-degree end you just cut, use the built-in trim plate to clamp your 45-degree miter cut piece onto the trim plate with the backside of your trim piece facing up. Then clamp the trim 45 to the backside of the trim using the trim plate to keep the trim 45 in position. Then using the indicated tape measure slot, measure the finished trim length and mark it. Next, reset your reveal gauge to 0. Flip the trim 45 over and make a 45-degree angle mark on the trim at the finish length using the 45-degree angle head. Your mark should start at the corner of the reveal gauge and follow the 45-degree angle. After marking the finished length, cut the trim along the angle mark, repeat the cutting action for the remaining trim pieces, and then install. With the Milescraft Trim 45, installing trim around windows and doors is as easy as measure, mark, and install.